Hello everyone. Good morning. Good evening. So today is the demo session that we are going to discuss AWS DevOps. Okay. This demo session is on AWS DevOps. So we are going to start this. Let me share my screen. Just give me few seconds. Let me share my screen with you guys. Okay. 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 I guess you're able to see my screen. So before going through this DevOps class, the first session, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Cyberguy. I do not wish to say my name, so you can call me with this name, Cyberguy. So I have done my doctorate, PhD, and along with some other doctorates, PhD in technology, worked with several governments and with several IT companies, and I'm the founder and CEO of two companies. And you might be asking this question, if you have all these, why are you teaching? Teaching is my passion. I just wanted to teach and wanted to reach last mile. See, but the main motive of this teaching classes is like, I just wanted to reach the needy and the poor people and the villagers and especially the women who are far behind to the development. Okay, that is the reason I have started teaching, and I'm offering all the courses at affordable price. You know, very less price compare with the market, and do not think that I'm going to provide less quality, more quality than them. And I have 16 years of experience, total experience. And now, okay, please make sure to share these things with everyone, with your friends and family, and the needy. Then everyone can join the groups. I have created new group, Telegram group, and new YouTube channel. Now it is streaming on live also. So through this, we are going to reach as many people as we can. So I don't want your introduction because this course is useful for everyone. And once you're paying the money, I'll be taking all the details. So there is no need of introduction. And here, first 5 sessions are for free of cost. After the 5th session, from 6th session onwards, you have to pay the fees. Okay. So here, this is a introduction. That's it from my introduction. The first one, that is introduction, and it is done. And then we will go to the next one, that facts, frequently asked questions. And those frequently asked questions are like the questions or doubts that from my previous batches, I've been taking them. And you know, guys, earlier also I used to teach, but I never reveal myself. I never used to use these Telegram channels or YouTube channels or anything. Now I have started this one. Okay, please share and make more students. Make sure to reach everyone. Okay, let us go to the discussion of the classes, the questions. The first question is, so who is this DevOps for? There is no particular person who are eligible for this, eligible to learn this DevOps. Everyone can learn DevOps. DevOps is for everyone. And the second question, without learning AWS, is it good to learn DevOps? Yes, there is no problem. Without learning DevOps also, you can learn, sorry, without learning AWS also, you can learn DevOps. Okay, there is no need of worrying about, I haven't learned this AWS. Can I manage this DevOps? No problem, because I'll be covering whatever the things that are required for DevOps. I'll be covering those AWS topics in the class itself. So do not worry about it. And the next question, what are the prerequisites to learn this DevOps? There are no particular prerequisites to learn DevOps. Only one is like Linux. You have to learn Linux. Even that Linux also just basic part is enough. Okay, basic part that you are going to learn Linux. And those basics I'll be covering in the coming classes. Do not worry about Linux. And who can attend this session? Who can attend this course? Anyone can attend this course. Anyone from the development, from the IT background, from non-IT background, and the freshers, everyone can attend this course. What is the difference between Azure and AWS? There is no difference. Simply all the terminologies are same. The process might be somewhat different. Okay. Do I need to, the next question, most important question, many people are going to ask me this. Do I need to master all these tools, whichever the tools exist in DevOps course? No, no need to master anything. You have to learn whatever the work that your company is asking you to do. For that purpose, you have to work or you have to learn the DevOps tools. And if you want, if you want to learn these tools in depth, I'll be scheduling new batches for these courses so that I will explain, I will be taking classes or sessions in depth on these particular tools. Okay. What is the timeline to finish this course? I'll be covering this course for 30 days. The duration of the course is of 1.5 hour per day. That means 1.5 hour per day and 30 days course. And the immediate question, many people ask me that, sir, how could this be possible to cover this much syllabus within 30 days? I will tell you clearly. See, if you compare with other top institutions, whatever the institution it says, you might be aware of several institutions' names, those who are offering these courses, online institutions, offline institutions, whatever they're offering, I'll be covering all those topics in my course. But while you have gone through those courses, they will be discussing unnecessary information for the entire 1 hour, and they'll be taking class for only half an hour. That means only half an hour class is useful for you. The rest of the 1 hour class is waste. If the class is for 1 hour, 45 minutes is going to be wasted and only 15 minutes they are focusing on the course. But here I'm taking 1.5 hours course. See, few other institutions are also offering first 3 classes, 4 classes, 5 classes are for free, but they are going to divide one class or one session into 5 sessions to 10 sessions, and they are giving you these sessions for free of cost. It means they are teaching only one session. That's it. So don't worry about it. Here in our session, that we are going to teach the sessions only the very important parts of the course. I'm not going to discuss any nonsense in my course. That is the reason I'm able to finish this course within 30 days. And you might be having another question. That is a very important question. Most of the people are worrying about this question, and the answer to that is very simple question. That is there any programming language involved in this DevOps? Or do I need to learn any programming language? Okay, let me answer this question, guys, for you. See, coming to this one, no programming language involved. That means DevOps people are not going to do any programming thing in this particular DevOps job. Okay, because there are developers, there's those people, those who are developing, they are having the development part, that means programming part, that means coding part, but you are from operations team. That is the reason there is no need of coding. But for me, I'm just recommending you guys, please learn any one programming language for yourself, which gives you more edge than the others. Okay, that is not mandatory, but if you can learn any programming language, that is well and good. Okay. And the next question is that I came from some other tool, some other security tool, some other any other tool, monitoring tools such as Splunk or Informatica or it's any other Oracle, anything that I came from that background. Is that possible that I can understand this DevOps testing? Is that possible to understand this? Yes. Why not? It is very easy. Anyone can understand this DevOps course. And I'm there to make you understand each and every concept in DevOps. I'll be dealing with each and every concept and the practical understanding of this. Okay. And how this course is useful for freshers. This is one more question which was raised by freshers. See, DevOps, it is a very agile methodology, very good methodology that has developed for software companies, which gives them profits and which reduces the client's time and the delivery time and which reduces the cost for client also. It means if a fresher has learned this DevOps course and then he is going to enter into the job, that means he has some idea on the agile methodology. They will be giving you preference rather the other people, those who are qualified, your BTech or BSc or something, right? So you are an edge. That means you'll be getting more opportunities than the other people. What is the demand of the course? Of course, there is a demand. That is the reason you people are here. There is a huge demand. Most of the people are planning to learn this and still learning, and there's a future in DevOps. Okay. So, concludingly, this DevOps can be learned by anyone, helpful to anyone. Non-IT people also can learn. Anyone can learn this course. What my suggestion is, you try to learn any one coding language. Okay, it will be giving you a great edge. And few people are asking that, hey, Cyber Guy, do we have any certifications to write in this? See, DevOps, it is a mixture of several tools. There is Jenkins, Ansible, Kubernetes, Maven, Grafana, Splunk. There are several tools that you are learning while you're going with DevOps. That means there is no particular certification for everything as a DevOps. But individually, you can write the certification, you can get the certification for each tool separately. Okay, we're done with this. And now let us try to get into the next part. That is step 3. What is this here? Gartner Magic Quadrant. What is this Gartner Magic Quadrant? See, let me show you in here. I will show you what is this Gartner Magic Quadrant. Okay, so that you can easily understand what is the demand of this subject. What is the demand of this subject? That means AWS. See, Gartner Magic Quadrant. Let me go to the images and you can see here. See, 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant. Here we can see that the technologies. See, let me open this. Let me open this Gartner Quadrant. This image. See, this Gartner Quadrant image is. This is going to decide which cloud platform is the leader. See, who is the leader here? Amazon Web Services is the leader. That means it is placing in a prominent position. That means more jobs for Amazon Web Services. That means AWS. Which is the second one who secured the place? Second one is that Microsoft. That means Azure, Azure. And the third one is that Google. That is GCP. You know, guys, honestly, now I'm teaching AWS. I'll be teaching Azure also. I'll be teaching GCP also. That means Google Cloud Platform. So while we are dealing with this, honestly, I can say that Google is increasing very fast. That means GCP usage is increasing very fast. For the past 2 years, if you observe the trends, Google is having increased 200%. That is the reason in future, if you learn GCP, it would be very helpful for you. So upgrade GCP skill also. Okay. I'll be taking the classes for GCP also. I'll be informing in the channel. So better learn this GCP also. That is my suggestion. Okay. And then let us see, is there any jobs available? Are there any jobs available here? Is there any job on AWS here? AWS DevOps? Let us see. Let us try to work on this. Naukri. Most of the people are going to use this Naukri, right? So I'm just opening this Naukri. Let us see any jobs in this Naukri. That means any companies are offering DevOps, DevOps jobs or not. Let us see here, DevOps. I've just typed DevOps. I didn't type DevOps fresher, consultant, anything. I just DevOps. Let us see how many jobs were there. I hope you are able to see this. See, there are plenty of jobs available. AWS DevOps engineer, Azure DevOps platform engineer. That means I'm just focusing on DevOps. It is whether it is AWS or Azure. I'm just focusing on DevOps. See, DevOps, senior DevOps, DevOps. See, there are hundreds of lakhs of thousands of jobs available for AWS. See the salaries, most of the jobs are available at this salary range, 10 to 15 lakhs. That means if you have the doubt on the packages, even I have covered the packages part also. That means DevOps giving you more package per annum, right? That means 15 LPA, 10 to 15 LPA that they are offering. That means you have to learn DevOps. Okay. Okay, then let us jump into the slide again. Okay. What is the next one? We are done with this Gartner Magic Quadrant. Now, let me go to the next one, the fourth one, that is career gap discussion. That means if the people, several people are there, those who are, they are they have finished their BTechs or graduation in the year of 2012 or 2015 or 2018 or 2006 or 2020, whether whatever it is, which year it was, you are going to work in IT industry. Yes, definitely. You're going to work in IT industry because there is a probability that many companies are offering several opportunities to work in their companies. You can go as a fresher or you can use your earlier certifications or you can use experience certificates and you can make use of those certificates, experience certificates. You can easily get into the job. That is a separate procedure that once you completed the session, connect with me. I will explain you and I will guide you through how to get this job. Okay. Focus on the learning. Mostly focus on the learning. Okay. And here in the career gap, people, most of the people are from those who have prepared for government jobs. They prepare for government jobs. They didn't get into the job, and due to the gap, they want to get into the IT industry. For this, they wanted to get into this IT industry. At that time, they do not have any guidance. See, guys, I'm there. Share with your friends and family, those who have face this issue, and who is going to be face this issue. Connect with me, and I will guide you through. Okay, after learning this course, you will be getting my guidance too. Okay. And the next one is that it is a trending topic now everyone is discussing about this recession. So there is a mass firing happening around the world. Twitter has laid off several people, and Amazon also done this. and several other companies also following the same. So now if I learn this DevOps course, and is it possible that I can get into the company? And few people are worrying about that they are going to lose their jobs. See, this is just a myth. Okay, if you have proper skills, if you have good knowledge on the subject, no one will touch you. You won't lose your job. I can promise you that. Okay, so there is no recession impact. It is just a game of the capitalistic people. So don't worry, don't fear about it. You will be getting your job even if the recession is going on. Anything is whatever is happening over here in the world, you don't worry about it, and you do never consider about this. Better focus on the learnings. Okay, and the next one, that is the important concept. How to see, I'll be discussing the DevOps syllabus and other courses discussion in here. That means we are offering, CyberGuy is offering not only DevOps course, AWS DevOps course, we are offering several other courses too. What are those several other courses? Let me get into them. Okay. The other courses are, these are the several few of the courses that we are offering. Artificial intelligence, AWS DevOps, Azure DevOps, GCP, GCP DevOps, and business analyst course, cybersecurity course, all cybersecurity courses we are going to offer, and data science course, deep learning, digital marketing, ethical hacking, Fortinet cybersecurity, full stack development, yes, full stack development, Python, shell scripting, Bash, okay, SEM tools, that means SIM tools, Snowflakes, Splunk, Workday, Informatica Cloud, Pega, Python, etc., etc. That means almost all we are offering 50 to 60 courses. So this is very important that you have to remember. Once you attend my courses, I can challenge that you will definitely get into the job, get into the IT industry. I'm assuring you that, because you see the quality of my syllabus and you see the quality of my classes, then you will decide it. Okay, so we are offering several courses, not only this one. And what is the syllabus that we are going to discuss in DevOps with AWS? See, we are going to discuss DevOps, what is it, and cultures, definition, and software development life cycle models, different phases, what is its role, and what is the earlier methodology that we used for SDLC, waterfall model, and why it has been failed, and what is the latest methodology involved, that is Agile methodology. What is that Agile methodology, and advantage and disadvantage of Agile methodology, how it is solving the problems, and then DevOps lifecycle, different tools used in the DevOps and configurations, how to install them, how to use them, how to deploy them, and then Linux basics for your work, and shell scripting also we are going to discuss. And after that, Maven tool, GitHub, we will be discussing Maven tool, that is build tool, GitHub repository tool, continuous integration tool, that is Jenkins, and several Sonar type Nexus, Artifactory repository, and configuration management Ansible tool, Docker containerization tool, Kubernetes, monitoring tools like Grafana, Prometheus, ELK stack. And here in my discussion, I'll be taking Splunk also. So you are very lucky that most of the people are avoiding because they don't understand how to do it. But I can teach you. And one more thing, I would like to tell you one thing about this Splunk. Most of the companies are shifting towards Splunk monitoring tool. Now there is a great demand in the market for Splunk. If you have learned Splunk here, you can go to DevOps. Otherwise, you can directly go to Splunk job also, because there are plenty of opportunities available on Splunk. So most of the companies are offering several opportunities on Splunk and infrastructure as a code, that is Terraform, that we are going to discuss. These are the things that we are going to discuss in our AWS DevOps class. Once it is finished, we will be discussing the rest of the courses. Okay, here, this is what. If you have any questions, you can connect with me anytime. We have created a channel, YouTube channel, and you can connect with me through that YouTube channel, youtube.com/cyberguy training. This is what my YouTube URL. You can connect there, and along with that, Telegram also we have created a channel. In the channel, the Telegram channel also, you can connect. You can join in the channel. Then we will be updating whatever the courses that we are going to offer. Okay, so please do remember that, subscribe to the channel, and please share this channel with as many as you can. Then only most of the people are going to come and they'll be learning this DevOps. Okay, thank you so much for everyone to have patience. Please go through this. We are continuously uploading our first 5 sessions in YouTube also. We'll be providing the recording. Please listen to them and join the course. Thank you. Thank you so much.